Good morning, everyone. Yesterday we have studied about the igneous rocks, right? How igneous rocks are formed. Now, how igneous rocks are formed? When the molten magma cools, it solidifies to become igneous rock. The core of the earth. There is burning lava inside. Now, when this lava with pressure and force, it comes out on the surface of the earth and cools down, it forms your igneous rock. Now, igneous rocks are further divided into two types. One is your extrusive igneous rock and another is your intrusive igneous rocks. So, igneous rocks have been divided into two categories, extrusive and intrusive. Now, let's see what is extrusive igneous rock. When molten lava comes on the Earth's surface, it rapidly cools down and becomes solid, right? Rocks formed in such a way on the crust are called extrusive igneous rocks. For example, basalt. The Deccan Plateau is made up of basalt rocks. Example. This is, lava is coming out, right? It says that when this lava comes out on the surface of the earth, right, and it cools quickly, right, it cools quickly in a day or in a year, it cools down quickly in comparison to others, right? Then it is called extrusive igneous rock. Extrusive igneous rocks cool quickly, and as a result these rocks are fine grained or has lack of crystal growth. They cool down quickly, right? When this molten magma, it comes out on the surface of the earth and it cools down quickly, then your extrusive igneous rocks are formed, right? And these type of rocks, right, rocks formed in such a way on the crust are called extrusive and igneous rocks. For example, basalt. And your Deccan Plateau is made up of basalt rocks. Now, intrusive igneous rocks. Sometimes the molten magma cools down deep inside the Earth's crust. Solid rocks so formed are called intrusive igneous rocks. Granite is an example of such a rock. Grinding stones used to prepare paste powder of spices and grains are made of granite. Example, it's very clear over here. Your extrusive igneous rock formation, it is coming out of the surface of the earth and cooling down quickly. Your intrusive, it is there somewhere in the earth crust only, right? It cools down in the earth crust only and it takes a longer duration for cooling, right? It cools down quickly. Might be it cools down in a day, in a week, in a year, but it takes longer duration for cooling in comparison to your igneous rocks. So, extrusive igneous rock formation, it comes out on the surface of the earth and it cools down rapidly. If we talk about your intrusive igneous rock formation, it is stuck somewhere in the earth's crust and it takes millions or thousands of years to cool down, right? So again, we'll have a revision of what we have studied. We have studied about the types of igneous rocks. Now there are two types of igneous rocks, extrusive igneous rock and intrusive igneous rock. Extrusive igneous rocks are what are extrusive igneous rocks? When your lava, it comes out on the surface of the earth and it cools down quickly. How your intrusive igneous rocks are formed? The lava, it comes out with pressure, but it doesn't come out on the surface of the earth, but it remains in the earth's crust and it takes millions of years to cool down, millions or thousands of years to cool down, right? Example of your extrusive igneous rock is basalt rock. Your Deccan Plateau is made up of basalt rock. If we talk about intrusive, granite is an example of such a rock. Now this is your homework. You will draw a beautiful poster taking help from the image shown. Let's rock. There are 3 different types of rocks. You will draw them and you will submit your homework positively by tomorrow. If any query is there, you are free to contact me on your WhatsApp group. Thank you.